Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. Today, we will go through some important current affairs questions that are frequently asked in competitive exams. These questions will help strengthen your general awareness and keep you updated on key national and international events. First question is, which country will host the FIFA Women's World Cup 2035? A. Australia. B. United Kingdom. C. Brazil. D. Canada. The correct answer is B. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is set to host the FIFA Women's World Cup 2035 as the sole valid bidder. The announcement was made by FIFA President Gianni Infantino at the UEFA Congress in Belgrade, Serbia. Next question is, Shiv Subramaniam Raman has recently been appointed as the chairman of which organization? A. Reserve Bank of India, RBI. B. Employees Provident Fund Organization, EPFO. C. Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA. D. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDA. The correct answer is C. Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA. Shiv Subramaniam Raman has been appointed as the new chairman of PFRDA. His tenure will be for 5 years or until the age of 65, whichever is earlier. He will succeed Deepak Mohanty, whose term ends in May 2025. Raman currently serves as Deputy Controller and Auditor General and Chief Technology Officer in the CAG of India. Next question, who won the ICC Men's Player of the Month for March 2025? A. Virat Kohli. B. Babar Azam. C. Travis Head. D. Ben Stokes. The correct answer is C. Travis Head. Next question, which Indian city was ranked as the cleanest city in Swachh Sarvekshan 2025? A. Bhopal. B. Surat. C. Indore. D. Mysore. The correct answer is C. Indore. Next question, which Indian state has become the first to launch a green hydrogen policy in April 2025? A. Maharashtra. B. Gujarat. C. Karnataka. D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is B. Gujarat. Next question, according to the Union Budget 2025-26, what is the proposed tax share for states? A. 40%. B. 39%. C. 43%. D. 42%. The correct answer is A. 40%. Next question, who became the youngest player ever in the IPL in 2025? A. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. B. Riyan Parag. C. Yashasvi Jaiswal. D. Tilak Verma. The correct answer is A. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Next question, what is the name of the initiative recently launched by BRICS nations to combat land degradation and soil fertility loss? A. BRICS Land Restoration Partnership. B. BRICS Green Deal. C. BRICS Sustainable Farming Alliance. D. BRICS Soil Health Mission. The correct answer is A. BRICS nations launched the BRICS Land Restoration Partnership to tackle land degradation, desertification, and soil fertility loss across 11 member countries. The announcement was made during the 15th BRICS Agriculture Ministers meeting held in Brasilia, Brazil. Next question, where was the 6th Asian Under-18, U18, Athletics Championship 2025 held? A. Indonesia. B. Saudi Arabia. C. India. D. Thailand. The correct answer is B. Saudi Arabia. Indian athletes won 11 medals at the 6th Asian Under-18, U18, Athletics Championship 2025 held in Saudi Arabia from April 15 to 18. The event was organized by the Asian Athletics Association at Prince Nef bin Abdulaziz Sports City. Thank you for joining us today. We'll meet again in the next video with more important current affairs questions. Stay updated and keep learning.